dialogue comes in which movie? Famous Hindi movie of my times, not your times. But
So
it is more
surely,
talked about. Sholay, correct? Good,
yes,
good, good. Sholay, very good. So I know Sholay must be very famous in Bihar, North India, and all that. Good, very happy. Mr. Vipul, can you please tell us about yourself?
yes, sir. So, good evening, sir. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. My name is Vipul Anand. I am from Sasaram, Bihar, sir. And I did my elementary education and schooling from DAV Public School. I hold a master's degree in geography from Delhi University. Prior to that, I graduated from Central University of Allahabad. And I have also done a certification course of young professional course by TCS, sir. And for last few months, I am preparing for banking exams. Sir, my hobbies are I love playing cricket. I enjoy photography. In leisure time, start surfing on internet. And apart from that, sir, I am keen interested in geopolitics. And sir, I also love traveling. This is all about me, sir. And sir, I am confident that my education, skill set, and my ability to work will allow me to contribute efficiently as a skill one officer at Federal Bank. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Vipul, what is your father?
Sir, my father is a government employee. He is a teacher, sir, by profession.
Mother?
My mother is a homemaker and she takes care of us. My family is of there are four members in my family, sir. Myself,
Mhm.
my father, my mother, and I am blessed with a younger brother.
Can you tell me what are the types of loans given by bank?
Yes, sir. Banks give various type of loans, sir. Uh, Especially, sir, if you categorize it, then there are the many types of loans. First one is home loan, car loan, health loans, education loans.
Hmm. Can you explain about housing loan or home loan?
Yes, sir. So currently, sir,
Hmm.
home loans are those loans which are considered or lent by the banks for especially construction of the houses and housing area for the housing in public domain, sir, in society, sir.
Hmm.
And
Yeah.
the the rates of loans of various banks of home loan in different banks, in private sector banks and public sector banks vary, sir. In Federal Bank, it is nearly 8 point something percent, sir. I'm not able to recall it.
8 point something बोलने से तो minus करेगा mark. You
Okay,
should
sir.
tell 8.5 or 8.75, whatever you are remembering. Don't
All right,
use
sir.
words like something, maybe, can be, I think. These words should not be used in interviews.
Okay, sir.
We want definite information from you, Vipul. Okay?
Right, sir. I understand. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
What is a demat account, Vipul? Is it compulsory to everyone? To which
Sir,
people it is compulsory?
okay, sir. So, Demat account is dematerialized account, sir. It is basically a kind of account in which stocks and shares are kept, sir. Just like saving accounts in which we keep our money, in Demat account, we keep our shares for trading, sir. It is not necessary for everyone, sir, but it is being opened by brokers.
No, no. You have to say it is a place where we keep our stocks in dematerialized form or electronic format. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is kept
Okay.
in electronic format. That is the question. And it is not necessary, it has to be opened by brokers only. It is to be opened by people who are interested in buying and selling shares. And they are retaining the shares in the electronic format. Nowadays, everything is maintained in electronic format. Understand?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Vipul, can you please tell me what are the earning sources for the bank?
Okay, sir.
The same
So the
the
major,
same question is the same question is what are the sources of income for the bank?
okay, sir. So the major sources of earning of the bank is lending the loans. It is the primary source of the bank. But apart from that, there are the
No,
secondary
no.
sources of earning.
How it becomes source for me? When I lend money, why, how it can become source for me?
Okay.
You should explain
So,
properly. It gives
all right, sir.
interest.
Yes, sir. Through interest, the bank earns profit, sir, and that is the
Hmm.
major source of earning for the bank. Apart from that, bank also charges on services it provides. So, it is the secondary sources of earning for the bank. Like banks also invest in government securities, and they also like invest in debentures. So these are the sources of income for the bank, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. No, no. What did you say? One about the interest. Second one.
Sir, I said the banks also invest in government like sorry, government uh, debentures and government securities, and they earn dividend from them, sir. And this is also a source of income for the bank, sir.
No, no,
Like
no.
the bank charges for internet
Banks
charges.
invest in government securities. They get interest on that. Banks invest in shares of other companies. They get dividends. Banks also levy charges on other
Internet banking.
services like,
Yes, yes,
say, checkbook charges, then minimum balance charges, etc. Plus,
yes,
banks also get commission on insurance services
yes,
and
sir.
mutual fund services. Banks get commission for wealth management advisory services. Okay.
Yes. Sir, when we say sir services, then all the things come under it, or
No,
we
no,
need to explain it one
but
by one, sir.
no, no. It is better to explain that
Okay, sir.
these three things separately, because they you get to know them, that you know about these things. You know about bank assurance. You have heard about mutual fund. You have heard about this wealth management advisory. You can tell. But when you tell this, you must also know what is bank assurance. Bank
Okay,
assurance means banks enter into arrangement with insurance companies and start canvassing for their policies. And for that policies canvassed, banks will be getting commission. That is an income.
okay,
Banks enter into arrangement with mutual funds. So they canvass for their mutual fund various schemes and they get commission for that. Similarly, wealth management advisory is when high net worth individuals who have money, they ask the bank to give them suggestions regarding their investment in deposits, or say your equity funds or debentures, etc., depending on their risk taking ability or capacity. So they get suggestions from banks, for which banks are paid commission. So that is also a major income. Okay, you must know this.
yes, sir. I will work on it, sir.
Please explain about KYC to me for about 2 minutes. You have to talk.
Okay, sir. So, KYC is explained as, sir, know your customer. According to the guidelines of RBI, knowing the customer for the bank, the details of the bank, like where he is from, his actual name, his phone number, residing address. So these all things are comes under KYC, sir. The KYC norms is very important for the bank, sir. Reason being, nowadays a lot of frauds are being taking place, sir. So KYC is being done to avoid these frauds. And government of India, sorry, RBI is very strict on this, sir. KYC is of three types, sir. For example, if I am a person which is a normal person having a just saving account, so for me the KYC is of 10 years, that I have to renew KYC after 10 years. For example, if someone is engaged in a little small business, for him or for his business needed, KYC will be done after renewal of the KYC will be done after 8 years. But if a company like corporate offices, big companies, and big corporates, for them the KYC norms are like after every 2 years they have to renew it. In, sir, especially in federal bank, sir, federal bank has video calling KYC facilities also, and nowadays digital KYC is being done by different banks. So rather than visiting branch and submitting the documents in hard copy, we can just consult our banking advisor, and KYC can be done by sitting at home, sir. It is very important for our banking services, sir, because it maintains a security kind of thing. The clean services of the banks are very necessary for our economy, sir. So that's all about KYC, sir. Thank you very much.
Mm, okay. So with what documents did you open your account?
Okay, sir. So there are six type of documents that are being required, sir. If we open any account in private or public sector bank, we can submit any of them. First of all is Aadhaar card, our PAN card, voter ID card, sir, ration card, Manrega card. So these are the cards which are necessary for like opening account in bank, sir. Apart from that, sir, two photographs are needed and signature uh, in the physical and on the in the or in the soft copy, sir. These are the documents
Mm,
which are necessary for opening a bank account, sir.
Good. Tell me any weak point regarding our bank. This is a
Right, sir.
question they have asked.
So,
This is a very tough question.
as far as I have searched and researched about Federal Bank in last 1 month, I have mm, not found a loophole, sir. But being a human, we all have some weaknesses, and the Federal Bank is also being formed by humans. So many times it happens, sir, that the authorities and the expansion of Federal Bank, especially, sir, in rural areas, it is still growing, sir. And I think somewhere their Federal Bank is lagging, sir. We need to expand our branches so that we can expand our services in the rural areas. Otherwise, I have never found, I have not found a mistake about the Federal Bank, and I am not unaware. I am not aware about that, sir.
Good. How to open an account? What if a
Okay, sir.
person does not have any address proof?
All right, sir. So, it's a tricky question, sir. I
I
would
don't
like
know.
to
In
answer.
honestly,
Yes,
honestly, I am not ready with the answer for this, but
yes,
we
sir.
have to ask this question. They have asked earlier in one interview.
Yes, sir. If a person don't have address, his or her bank account can could also be open, sir. In such scenario, sir, we can use the like the rental agreement of the person where he is staying. Second case is that, sir, we can we can ask for the telephone bills of that person. Okay, provide us with that. Otherwise, we can also contact the tenant or the owner of the building in which he is staying, and we can ask for the details about that person. So in such scenarios, sir, his account can be opened because, sir, in Jandhan Yojana, zero balance accounts are also being opened, and illiterate people don't have accounts. They don't have such kind of documents, sir. Still, the government is bringing such provisions to make those people the part of the financial inclusion and the part of economy. So it is possible to open accounts when a person don't have like address and address proof, sir.
Here I
Thank you.
find in one Quora.com a question. For that question, it is answered. Many banks require proof of a local address, which can include utility bills, rental agreements, or bank statements. Some banks may accept documents with your name and a different address, but this is less common. Different city, if you are trying to open an account in a city where you do not have a local address, some banks might allow you to use a temporary or mailing address, but policies may vary widely. Alternative option, consider online banks or credit unions, which may have more flexible requirements, which may have more flexible requirements. Then it is best to contact the bank, the specific bank you are interested in, to inquire about their policies. Actually, it differs from bank to bank. Um,
Yes,
See, after all, he must be staying in a house.
yes, sir.
He must be staying in a house. So, if
Yes, sir.
that landlord has got an account with our bank, then we
Mhm.
can ask him to give identification for him. This is what we used to do before this Aadhaar was issued. When I was manager 25 years ago and all, what we used to do is we used to ask introduction from a person who has got already account with us. He will tell, I know this gentleman for the last 2 years, 3 years, and he will sign and give it to us.
Sir,
So
you mean
that
to say,
way,
sir, manual verification, sir?
yeah, manual verification. For example, I know you are Vipul, you are in
Yes.
Chennai, you are now staying in paying guest accommodation. So the you one option is to get a letter from your paying guest owner.
Okay,
Second
sir.
option is, I know you, I am a person having account in bank. I can introduce you. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bipul, one more question for you.
Sure, sir.
Are you
Sure, sir.
tired of questions? Can I ask one more?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. As much as you can, sir.
Yeah. Now, please tell me something about what you know about Iridai.
Yes, sir. Uh,
Iridai. What do you know about Iridai? You have to talk for
IRDAI,
one
sir.
minute.
IRDAI, sir.
IRDAI. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's insurance related. Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it, sir. But I have heard about it, sir. I have read about it. But currently, I'm not able to recall it, sir.
Insurance Regulatory
Directory. Okay,
Development
sir.
Authority of India.
Okay, sir.
Can anyone speak about this in the group? Can anyone
Sir,
tell me few points about IRDAI?
um,
Come
with your
on,
permission, may I say
anybody?
something, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Now tell Vipul.
Okay, sir.
Vipul,
So
tell first. You tell. Hmm.
IRDI is that authority of government, authority, sir, which governs the insurances in India, sir, and it regulates the insurances norms in India, so that anyone can't do whatever he want regarding the insurance policies, sir. So it's very important, sir, because some regulatory bodies should be there, sir, and IRDI plays that role, sir.
Now somebody else wanted to speak. Come on. Some girl wanted to speak. Yes, about
Ye-
IRDAI. Yeah.
yes, sir. IRDA is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Its headquarters is in Hyderabad. It's actually came into existence in 2000 April by the recommendation of Malhotra Committee 1990 Malhotra Committee and IRDA Act 1999. Its CEO is Debashish Pandey. Its board has 10 members, 5 full-time members and 4 part-time members. All are elected, appointed by the central government. And what IRDA do is it keeps the interest of policyholders. If we have any complaints with the company which we have insurance, we can. There is a system of grievance redressal system which the IRDA provides, that we can approach them and we can get redressal of the grievance.
Not bad. Correct. You can also tell that IRDAI is the authority granting license to start insurance companies, life insurance and general insurance companies. Correct? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
very good.
Yes. They also make the
Yeah,
rules and regulations for insurance sector. They can audit the insurance companies anytime as they want.
yeah, good. But don't use the word anytime and all. They can audit will do. Okay. Don't tell anytime means night 1 o'clock somebody wants to audit. Can he go there? Again, they can do it, but they won't insist. That's a problem. Very good. Thank you so much, Vipul. You did
Thank
well.
you.
Best